Hello guys, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video we are gonna solve this question, that is we have to find the inverse of a function and then we have to find the derivative of that inverse function at any point a. So the function fx is given and the point a is given and we have to find the inverse. So in this problem we will learn the concept how to find the inverse of a function. So basic concept is, if we replace x with y and y with x, means we have to interchange x and y and then we have to find the value of y in terms of x. So that value is the inverse function of the given function. Now here the function is given as, we can write this as x plus 7 divided by x plus 3. Now if we will interchange x and y, so we can write this as y plus 7 divided by y plus 3. Now if we will cross multiply, then we will get xy plus 3x is equal to y plus 7. Then if we will just take y on left side, so we can write this as y multiplied by x minus 1 and here it will become 7 minus 3x. So we can write the inverse function as y is equal to f inverse of x is equal to 7 minus 3x divided by x minus 1. So we have already found the inverse function. Now what we need to find? We need to find the derivative. So basically to find the derivative of, so we can write this as dy dx of f inverse x. So we can write this as dy by dx of this inverse function, that we can write this as 7 minus 3x divided by x minus 1. So we will use the u by v formula of differentiation. So what we will get? We will get x minus 1 to the power 2 in the denominator, and in numerator we will leave this x minus 1 as constant first, then we will differentiate 7 minus 3x. So we will get minus 3, then we will leave 7 minus 3x as constant and we will differentiate the denominator term, that is x minus 1. So dy by dx of this denominator term will be 1. So if we will solve this, what we will get? This will become minus 3x plus 3. So we can solve it here. This will become minus 3x plus 3. This will become 7 plus 3x. So 3x will be cancelled. This will become minus 4 divided by x minus 1 whole square. So now we have found the derivative of the inverse function. Now if we will put x is equal to 2, then we can get the value of f inverse dash 2, then it will be minus 4 divided by 2 minus 1 whole square. So basically the value of this derivative of inverse function is minus 4 at x is equal to 2. So we will write minus 4 here. So this is the one of the method. So we can also solve this question by another method. So now we will solve this question by method 2. Earlier in the previous method we have directly found the inverse of this function by replacing x with y, but now in many cases it is not possible to directly interchange the value of x and y and then find the inverse. So in those cases what we will do, we will use the formula. So basically formula is, so if you want to find derivative of an inverse function at x is equal to a, so basically what we need to do, we need to 1 divided by f dash of f inverse a. So basically this is the formula. So to find that, we need to find the derivative directly of this function. So derivative of this function is, we can just use the p by q formula of differentiation. So this will become x plus 3 whole square, this will become x plus 3, differentiation of numerator is 1, and this will become x plus 7, and differentiation of denominator is also 1. So if we will solve this, x will be cancelled and we will get this as minus 4 divided by x plus 3 whole square. So I hope you got the differentiation of this function directly. So after getting the differentiation, now we need to find the value of f inverse 2. So basically what it means is that we need to find the value of x So x plus 7 divided by x plus 3 is equal to 2. Then if we will solve this, we will get x plus 7 is equal to 2x plus 6. So if we will take x to the right hand side, so it will become 2x minus x is equal to 7 minus 6. So basically x is equal to 1. So we can write this as f inverse 2 is equal to 1. Means if we will put x is equal to 1 in this function, then we will get the value of y or fx h2. So this is the meaning of this basically. So if we will put this value in the formula, in this formula, so what we will get here, we will get this as f dash or f inverse 2 is 1. So basically f dash 1 and f dash x is here. So if we will put x is equal to 1 in this function, so basically what we will get this as square. No, sorry, I have done some mistake. Wait. Actually, this is 1 divided by f dash 1 is minus 4 divided by 1 plus 3 whole square. So if we will solve this, this will become 4 square divided by minus 4. This square will be cancelled out, so it will become minus 4. So basically the answer of this question is again at a is equal to 2 is equal to minus 4. So from the previous method, we also get minus 4 as the answer, and by this formula we have got the same answer. So we have cross-checked the answer by using different methods. So I hope you would like this concept of finding the derivative of the inverse function. So if you like this video, then please press the like button below, give the feedback so that I can improve the quality of the solution making. And if you want to ask any other doubt, then please visit my website or drop your doubts in the comment box below. And please share this website with your friends also. Thank you very much.